Thank you, President Ford. This is an exciting day. We are so uh, thankful for our companies for being here, taking time out of busy schedules to come and help us recognize our students. We are appreciative of parents and family members and friends being here as well. We're super proud of our students. This is a competitive program. This program has been in existence for 8 years now, and it's gotten more and more competitive every year. Not every student is selected. So students, be proud of yourselves and this wonderful opportunity that's being placed before you. And parents, I hope you're proud as well. We want to take time to recognize each student, each company, and students, if you'll come forward as I call your names, multiple students at companies, if you'll all come together at once, we'll do one at a time and then a group photo. And as you come forward, we'll sign at the table and then take a photo. So the 2025 Tiger Apprenticeship class. We'll do one at a time and then we'll do a group photo. First, we would like to recognize Austin Bell. He is a civil engineering technology student from Walnut, Mississippi. He is signing today with Mr. Matthew Estes joining us from Coggin. Next, we will recognize Reese Thorne, a second-year student in the Civil Engineering Technologies program from Dennis, Mississippi. Next, we will recognize Damian Baker. He is a construction engineering technology student from Horn, Mississippi, apprenticing in Coggin. Next, we will recognize James Bayup. He's in the construction engineering technology program from IUCA, first year student. And next, we will recognize Tupper. He's a civil engineering technology student from IUCA, first year student. We are fortunate to have a partnership with Coggin so that we can have multiple programs at a particular company. Now let's get the whole group and take one group shot, please. How about if we cover a couple of y'all and the things to that working? And those are our Coggin engineers. I'd like to point out that this is a wonderful partnership that we have with Accelerate Mississippi, providing the funding for this program. Also with Three Rivers Planning and Development District, they help us with this program as well. We couldn't do the program without Accelerate and Three Rivers helping us along the way. It's a great opportunity. Again, we're in our 8th year. We're just super proud of our students. We're especially thankful for our companies for investing in Northeast, our programs, and our students.